Good morning, children. I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Today, we are going to start a new chapter, that is your English reader book, that is lesson number 8, A Swimmer Mihir Sen, which is given on page 72. But before this, we will learn the word meanings. The number one word is champion, it means prize winner. Next word is achievements, it means victory or success. Another word is remarkable, that means extraordinary, that you have to do something different from the rest of the world. Next word is conqueror, it means winner, one who wins. Another word is ace, it means one who excels in a particular sport or an expert in a field. Next word is dog paddle, which means to float in water moving about the hands and legs. Another word is barrister, it means a lawyer who works in a court. He is also known as barrister. Next word is porter, a person who is employed to carry luggage and other loads. Rigorous, next word is rigorous, it means very tough and strict. Another word is links, it means connecting or connects. Another word is momentous, that is important. Another word is straight, it means a narrow passage of water connecting two seas. Next word is daring, it means brave or courageous. Then shark infested, shark infested means a water filled with lot of sharks. Another word is hazardous, hazardous means dangerous, जहाँ पे खतरा हो बेटा. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज noteworthy, noteworthy means extraordinary and worth mentioning. Another word is excel, it means to do very well in some field. Another word is unmatched, means unique, which is very different. Next is deed, deed means actions which we do. So before starting a chapter, I would like to share some pictures. Children, you see, these are some of the famous Indian sports personalities. As you all know, the first picture is Milkha Singh, second is Sania Mirza, then Abhinav Bindra, Vishwanath Anand, and last one is Sushil Kumar, as they have done excel work in their fields. But there was one more personality, his name was Mihir Sen. He was also a great sports person. He did excellent job in the swimming field. So we will read about him. He is a swimming champion. In fact, he did not know how to swim till he was 22 years of age. Until this age, he had only dog paddled, that means moving hands and legs in water. Okay. He was born on 16th November 1930 in West Bengal. Then he became a lawyer and worked as a barrister at the Kolkata High Court. But he wanted to do something more with his life. So he travelled to England, and there he went to do something good to explore his work, because he was not at all satisfied what he was doing of lawyer. So you can see in the map that England and India is very far from India. All right, he went there and he started working there as a railway porter. You know that railway porter is a person who carries loads and luggages. He started there like that only after he got a job at the Indian High Commission's office at London. There he said he developed his love for swimming and he joined a local swimming club. And for 3 years he went through rigorous training, that is very tough and strict training. He learned how to swim at the age of 27 years. On September 1958, he became the first Asian to swim across the English Channel in just 14 hours and 45 minutes. Then, the English Channel divides the island of Great Britain from northern France and links the North Sea to the Atlantic Ocean. For this, he was awarded Padma Shri in 1959. As he was the first Asian to swim across the English Channel in the year 1966, it was a momentous year for him because he swam across the 7 seas of the 5 continents in just 1 year, and in the month of April 1966, he swam across the Park Strait. That means the sea between India and Sri Lanka. As you can see in the map, children, but this is the sea between India and Sri Lanka. It was indeed a daring task as the water in the Park Strait was shark infested. That means filled with lot of sharks. So he did a great job in the month of August 1966, he swam across the Strait of Gibraltar between Europe and Africa. You can see in the map, children. So he swam there. After that, in September, he became the world's first man to swim across the hazardous Strait of Dardanelles in Turkey. In the same month, that means in September only, he swam across the Bosphorus in Turkey in just 4 hours. Then he swam the 85 kilometers long Panama Canal in 34 hours and set a world record, which was a great record of himself. Thus, he set up 5 world records as he swam the 7 seas, for which he was awarded the Padma Bhushan in 1966. He got the Padma Bhushan award for this achievement. Mihir Sen was not only worth achievements earned him a place in the Guinness Book of World Records, also as the world's greatest long distance swimmer. He was also recorded in the Guinness Books of Record. He was the president of the Explorers Club of India. But in 1997, he passed away when he was 67 years of age. And Mihir Sen also opened the doors for many Indian swimmers to excel in long distance swimming. His achievements remain unmatched, and he always believed that a country is measured by the deeds and achievements of its people. So, dear children, Sen was born at 1930 and died at 1997. He lived for 67 years and he did many great job. That is why he was also called as the conqueror of the 7 seas. So what we have learned from this chapter is that, children, that you have to follow your dreams with passion, right? He worked for his dream and he gained his name. So children, I hope you all understand this and you will work with full determination. Thank you for